तो आज हम जिस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे वो है एक वायरलेस चार्जर फ्रॉम Ibsun. Ibsun is a cheap Chinese company. I ordered it from Amazon in a deal. So I guess we will find out whether it was a good deal or no at the end of the video. Opening up the box, not box, sorry, opening up the package, we get a good graphics box, small packaging. You get the package contents as well as product name and all the details, nice graphics on the box. Opening up the box, you will find nicely fit and packaged all the items inside. A USB-C cable, very positive, a big plus. I was hoping it was not micro USB. Then you have a wireless charging stand for your phone. It basically charges all the compatible Android as well as iPhones, and I guess so even other less relevant operating system brands as well, like this, I guess so Nokia or whatever. Okay, so next thing we get a Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging power adapter to insert your USB-C cable and power on all the wireless station. Standard specification, user manual, user guide, and a dock. This is for your smartwatch and AirPods case basically. So this is it. Let's move on with the review now. So moving on, let's talk about the specs. This is basically 3-in-1 wireless charging station for Apple Watch, AirPods Pro and 2, and as well as magnetic detachable charging wireless stand for your iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, OnePlus, all kind of different brands. Plus, just the catch is your phone should be compatible with fast charging compatibility. So you can clearly see all the contents are out of the box. Box is on the floor. The cable included is a bit short actually, I guess half a meter. So just if you want to place it on a far place, then I would recommend you get a longer cable. Just like me, I have a longer cable, so I will just connect it with the power outlet, and we will power on our charger and we'll see what it's all about. So moving on to the impressions, you can clearly see the wireless charger, its fast charging compatibility. At the right side you see 4 magnetic dots. These are connected, these are used to connect with the dock. Left side there is nothing. At the back side you have a USB-C port for your cable connectivity. This is the dock. uh, they have done good cable management in this one. I will show you later on, just in a minute. uh, 4 dots here as well, like these dots on the dock, they are female. On the wireless charging stand, they are the male. So you can see this is just like 5 to 6 inches of lightning cable. They have hidden it for your Pro or AirPods Pro and AirPods 2 charging case basically. You can connect the dock magnetically with the wireless stand, or if you want if you have space issues, you can use them separately as well, because both of them, the dock as well as the charging stand, both of them have USB-C port. So either you can connect to the charging stand and charge 3 devices at the same time, or if you do not want or have space issues, then you can just charge them separately. In that case, like, you will need to have 2 set of cables and 2 adapters. So I guess it's not a big issue. You can just use a similar kind of space. Moving on, let's go towards the demo. I will try to steer things up a bit and try to charge some devices which I have handy with me. So starting with iPhone XS, let's charge it with the case intact. Okay, so pretty good. We have a working charger with the case on the device. So my case is not thick enough. They have mentioned, like, if your case is thick, you might have to remove it. But I guess I'm fortunate my case is not thick enough and it is charging with the case as well. Without the case, there is no question it was not going to work. You can clearly see green LED indicating your phone is charging wirelessly. Another thing is, like, if we try a phone, like, okay, let's say I have an iPhone 6s, whether it will charge or no, make a guess. Oops, nope. Why? Because iPhone 6s is like a bit old, around I'm not sure, 4 or 5 years back, maybe 6-7 years, I've lost the count. There is no wireless charging compatibility in that phone. Okay, so Android, coming to Android devices, yes, with the case it's working. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus without the case as well, just try it out. Pretty straightforward. Yes, you can clearly see the graphics on the screen, they are charging successfully. And LEDs mentioning, LEDs are not bright enough to disturb you during sleep, so they are just you can take them as an indicator that your devices are charging successfully. Moving on to the dock, so basically I do not have any AirPod Pro or 2 with me. Unfortunately, I'm not a fan of them, so I have Android one, but they do not have USB Lightning port, so that's out of the question. Another thing is, I wanted to try Apple Watch as well, but I do not have that either. I'm kind of an Android fanboy, you can say. But you get the idea. You have to just attach it like that. Another thing to note is that you need a magnetic charger for your iWatch, which is not included in the box, so you might have to get it separately. So, but you can clearly see the lightning port is going to charge anything. My 6s device is a bit old, so the port is kind of a faulty. But let's try out with an iPad, so hopefully it will charge the iPad. Yes, it is charging. So success overall. I apologize for not having AirPods or iWatch, otherwise I would have shown you definitely. So this is it. I hope you get the idea what devices you can charge and what not. G certified fast wireless charging, USB-C cable included, power adapter included, magnetic charger for Apple Watch not included, cable storage is good, nightstand mode, case friendly as well as sleep friendly, no disturbance and all. Overall a good product to have, nice build quality. I hope you liked the review and it helped you in a decision whether you go for it or not. We'll meet in the next one. More videos to come. Peace.